What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix smart lock not working in POCO X7. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time, and then swipe up to power off your device and then turn it on again. After that, open your settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now here you can see the option Google services. Now click on your Google and here you can clear the app data. After clear your Google data, then go back to your home screen and open settings again and then click on my device. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. On top right corner you can see these three dots. Now click on it and then click on other settings. Now click on reset app preferences and click on reset apps. After reset the app preferences, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.